Because we already have big PP. What's that? Yeah, now I'm the cool guy. Ooh. See, I'm the cool guy now. Oh, he did not mean to do that wheelie. No, no. I can explain. No. What is up, guys? Right now we're on our way to meet up with yet another person from the meetup. We're meeting up with the BMW guy. I still haven't come up with a name for him yet, and I also don't think it's gonna be on his BMW right now, so the name won't make any sense at all. But with that being said, I'll see you in a bit. Tjena. Are you ready for this? Hell yeah! I rewired the entire fucking shit. Go! I believe in you! That's how mine sounds as well. You know, some of us don't have to overcompensate with a loud exhaust because we already have big PP, so... Got both of them. Amateurs. Aha, so let's go after him! He forgot his blinkers on again. He does that. He's one of those guys. Keeping his blinky blink on all the time. His friend might be in that truck there, so we're following it with the hope of getting free food. No, I don't think that's gonna happen. I think he'll get fired if something like that happens. But wouldn't that be an awesome video? Worth it. I got fired for giving two bikers a pair of salamis. No, that sounded like a porno. I don't like that. Shit. Imagine if it's not his friend. This gotta be scary. Two bikers just cruising behind you. Ever coming closer, like, I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. Oh! Something tells me it was the wrong guy. Oh, it was probably the wrong guy, wasn't it? Var det fel? No. Jeez, he did it again. Indicator man. There we go. That could be his new name. The Indicator Man. Forgotten Indicator. The Blink Rider. Bling Rider. The Lost Bling Rider. There we go. We're here with Lost Bling Rider. Yep, I did it. I got the name down. The Lost Bling Rider. Ow! True terror. These are on so bad. Get shot, fool. I think that guy, I think I knew that guy. I don't know, I know a lot of guys now. And girls, of course, and girls. Billy, my boy! Billy, my boy, we're here to see you, Billy, my boy. Goddamn drunk. Always down on his goddamn side. I'm sick and tired of these alcohol problems you have, Billy. Goddamn drunk. Get out of there. Oh, nice. I don't know who gave him awesome stick, but very epic. Could have been me. What? Could have been me. I'm not saying it is me. Could have been me. He even has a snail boy on him now. Oh shit. Snail boy. Little friend. Say hello. I'm your only friend. Come on, Forgotten Bling. This is your moment. Don't forget the bling. He didn't forget the bling. Whoa. Nice. Nice. Comedy genius. Vad sa du? See you, chum. Now I'm scared. I've started a war I'm not ready for. Who am I kidding? The war has been going on for a very long time. I'm just riding on my feet. I think we're turning up here. Yep. There we go. That was a pretty rough turn. He doesn't want to pay. I'm not paying to get into the city. Can't get me if I'm covering it up. I see. Only real OGs will remember when I rode around here that one time. That one video. Can you find the video? If you did, comment down below and I'll give you a little bit of one of those. Banana. Oh, poisonous gas. My face are up. Whoa! I'll have to start to get to you. Oh, look at that. I won. I got way further, man. Oh, you're very bad at this. That's very bad. Yeah, now I'm the cool guy. Oh my god, it sounds so mean. I'm gonna do it until it looks. Damn! That sounds mean as hell. Oh, come on. That's on this. I'm getting out of here.
Make picture.
Oh, you make picture? Very nice.
Yeah, would you? $10.
Only $10? That's a good steal. Ugh. If you didn't see that, but my bike didn't start again. We had to push start it. That was a nightmare. Oh, hold on. Well, no! Ooh. See, I'm the cool guy now. Oh, they love me. And my bike. They love my bike, yes. Yeah. I'm the coolest guy alive. The power. It's too much! Oh, fuck. Green again! Oh, he did not mean to do that wheelie. He did not. Du tänkte inte göra en wheelie, eller hur? Det där händer mig skitofta. Ja, jag tror det. För jag kollade mot dig och så bara såg jag åkte förbi och stegrar. Jag bara, Jesus Christ. Stegrar min hoj. Jag menar, det såg ganska clean ut tills man såg din paniklook. Jag bara, jag
tänkte att du är på väg, jag kan inte släppa för att komma.
Exakt. Kopp, play cool. Oh, didn't see us. It's okay. What? He was making a U-turn. How was I supposed to know that? Goddamn drunk. Aww. I missed the sound. I missed the power. Oh, this looks high as fuck. Oh. What's nice now is I can actually ride around with my visor open without having to worrying that my face is showing all the time. I can explain. No. If you're tired of getting kill switched by your friends, have a shitty battery with some lights on that keeps killing your engine. They won't dare to kill switch you because your bike might not start. But it's only fair. If they kill switch you and your bike don't start, I think they have to pay the towing. Look at all these artworks. Pure, uncontrollable art. And there we have the most beautiful art of them all.
And a special thank you to Patreon Adam Page RC.